Hello students, welcome to your maths class. In last class we have discussed about the 3.1 exercise based on factors and multiples. Okay. So today we are discussing the next concept of the same chapter, that is playing with number. We are dealing with third chapter, playing with numbers. Okay. So what are the next concepts means? Next concepts are prime numbers and composite numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers, even number, you should know even number also, even numbers and odd numbers Okay, so today we will discuss all these four concepts. Okay, so without wasting time we'll move for our first concept. Today's first concept is prime numbers. See, prime numbers is nothing but it is a type of numbers. Okay, this is a type of numbers. So in these numbers, okay, these numbers are the numbers which are divisible by itself. Okay, the numbers, first we'll write the definitions. The numbers which completely divisible by itself, such numbers are called prime numbers. Such numbers are called prime numbers. So I used here completely divisible means what? Simple students, prime numbers will come in only their tables only. For example 2 will divisible by 2 only. 2 is not divisible by any other number and it will come in only to second table only. Right now in 2 table only you will get a 2 number. Like that 3 also students. 3 will come in 3 table only. It will not repeat any other tables. It will not repeated by any other tables. Like 5. 5 is also will come in only 5 table. That means it is divisible by only 5. It is not divisible by any other number. Okay. Like that 7. 7 is also prime number because it will come in only 7 table only. Okay, it will not come in 2 table, 3 table, 5 table, 6 table also, 4 table also. If you check any other tables also, you will not get 7 number. It will come in only 7 table. Like that 8 will come in 8, 9, 10 will come in repeat in other tables also, because 8 will come in 4 table also, 2 table also, 9 will come in 3 table also, right? No, 9 will come in 3 table, so it is not a prime number. Okay, and if you go for 11 will come in only 11 table. Like that 13, 17, 19, these are prime numbers. Examples 19, after we go 23, if you go for next 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 45 will come, 46, 47, 51 is there, 49. Okay, 49 is not there in any other table. 49 will come in only 49 table. Okay, if you go for next 51 is there, 53 will come in only 53 table. If you go on 59, next will come 59. Next prime number is 61. Next prime number is 67. Next one is 73. If you go on, next one 79, next one will come 83, next one is 89, next one is 97. Okay, these are some examples for prime numbers. Okay, in total 100, if you take from 1 to 100, 1 to 100, you will get 25 prime numbers. You will get 25 prime numbers. That means they will not come in, they will not repeat in other tables. They will come only in its table only. If you go for 37, 37 will not repeat in any other table. 37 will come only 37. That means our 37 is not divisible by any other numbers. 37 is divisible by only by 37 table only. Okay, that's why they are called as a prime numbers. So see here, up to 1 to 125 prime numbers are there. So you should remember these all the 25 prime numbers. Okay, this will help you in the next concepts. Okay, so this is what prime numbers. Understood? So how to find out prime number? You just check it is divisible by 2 or not. If you want to check it is a prime number or not, simple, I will show you once. See, now we have to check 97 is a prime number or not. How to check prime number means, how, if you want to check 97 is a prime number, you just divide it by 2. You just divide it by 2. So when we divide this number by 2, we should get complete remainder should be 0. If remainder is not 0, then it is a prime number. So we will divide it. So 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, I will take 7 here, 17, 2 8s are 16. So I have not got here 0 as a prime number, I got 1 here. So that's why it is a prime number. That's why it is a prime number. Okay. Why? Because when I divide it by 2, I am not getting here 0, remainder as a 0. That means what? 97 will not completely divide by 2. Okay. That means what? It will not divide any, it will not divide by any other number also. Okay, that's why. If you take here 96, see here, if you want to do 2 4s 8, 1 6, 2 8s 16. See, so 97 is not a prime number here. Why? Because I am getting 0 as a reminder. Okay, this is how we have to check that number is a prime number or not. So this one you can bahut also. 25 numbers you should bahut, or you should remember these all the numbers, 25 numbers. Okay, prime numbers, I hope you people are understood what is prime number. I will repeat again, the number which is divisible by itself. Okay, the number which will come in only its table. Okay, that numbers are called the prime numbers. Okay, I hope you people are understood what you mean by prime number and how to find out the prime number, how to check it is a prime number or not. Okay, so we'll go move for next concept, that is composite number. This is opposite of prime number, composite number. Remaining prime number all are composite numbers. That means what? These number will repeat in other table also. Okay, these number will repeat in other tables also. For example, 4, right? 4 will come in 2 table, right? 2 2s are 4, right? In 2 table also come, in 4 table also it will come, right? If I want to write definition for this one, the numbers which divisible by more than one number, which divisible by such numbers are called, composite number. So I hope you understood. Okay, so for example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, okay, 16, 18, 20, it will go on like this. Okay, so check these numbers. Okay, all are here even numbers. These are all are even numbers. These are multiples of 2 here, right? No, some are only except 9, 15, right? These are not a multiple of numbers 2. Remaining all are multiple of 2 only. So almost all composite numbers are multiple of 2 only, and they will divide by more than one number also. 4 is divided by 2 also, 4 is divided by 4 also. If you want to 6, 6 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 3, 6 is divided by 6 also, because 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. It is divisible by 3 numbers. Okay, if you go for 8, 8 is divisible by 2. 8 will come in 2 table also, 8 will come in 4 table also, right? 8 will come in 8 table also. If you go for 9, 9 will come in 3 table, and 9 will come in 9 table also. That means what? It is dividing by more than one number. So these all are the example for that R number, right? So here another two concept we should remember here, which is small. See here, we'll go here again in a prime number. I have to clear another two concepts here. See, in prime numbers living 2, in prime numbers living 2, all are odd numbers. Living 2 all are prime numbers, right? Right? No, see, living 2 all are here odd numbers only. I am not getting any one of even number. Only 2 is a even number. So in a prime number only 2 is even number. And which is the smallest prime number means you should tell 2. Which is the smallest prime number means the smallest prime number is 2. Okay, understood? And if you go for which is the smallest composite number means you should go for 4. Okay, 3 is not a composite number, 3 is a prime number. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, which is the smallest prime number means you should tell 2, and which is the prime number which is even means you should tell 2 only. Okay, so if you go on checking, all are come in only odd numbers only. Okay, so another thing, so what about 1 then? 1 will not come in prime number also, 1 is not there in composite number also. So 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. It's not a prime number also, it is not a composite number also. Okay, it is neutral. Okay, that's why I have not took to 1 is not a smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest composite number is 4. Understood? So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Understood? I hope you people are understood. What do you mean by prime number? What do you mean by composite number? Okay, clear? Okay, we'll go for even number means. Even number means I hope you people are already learned this one. What is even number? Even numbers are multiple of 2. Right now? All even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. So here see, all are multiple of 2. Even numbers means they all are multiple of 2. Odd number means they are not multiple of 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, right? 13, 15, 17, 19, etc. These all are odd numbers. Okay, so now you will ask me that 3 is a prime number also, and it is a odd number also. Yes, 3 is prime number also, it is a odd number also. Here also 2 is a even number as well as it is a prime number, but 4 is a even number and it is a composite number, right? So this is how, what is even numbers, what is odd numbers. I hope you people already learned about this even number and odd number. Now another, if we add two even numbers, if we add two even numbers only, what we will get as an answer? I will take here 2 plus 4. See here, 2 is also even number, 4 is also even number. What I am getting here? 6. I will take another number, 12 plus 8. Both are even number. I am getting, see, whenever you will add two even number, whenever you will add two even number, 3, 4, whatever, how much you want you can add. If you add even numbers only, you will get as a answer even number only. If we add even numbers, you will get even number as a answer. Okay, if we add two or more than two odd numbers, here, if I add here 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is 12, right? If I add here 9 plus 1, 10, right? No, 9 is a even odd number, 1 is also odd number. If you like that only, if I add 3 plus 5, 8, right? If I add 13 plus 7, 20. So see here, if we add two odd number also, answer is even number only, right? Even number. If we add two even number, answer we will get as a even number only. If we add two odd number, then also we will get answer as a even number only. But if we add one even number and one odd number, one even number and one odd number, so what we will get, we will check. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 13 plus 6, 19. So when we add one even number, one odd number, answer whatever we'll get, that is odd only. Answer is odd number. You should remember these three concepts, then your adding of numbers will become very fast. Okay, if we add two even numbers, we will get a even number as an answer. If we add two odd numbers also, we will get even number as an answer. But if we add one even number, one odd number, then we will get the answer as an odd number. Okay, so I hope you people are understood what I am explaining here. Okay, it is very easy concept, students. What is prime number, what is composite number, what is even number, what is odd number, and what happens if we add two even numbers, two odd numbers, and last one odd number and one even number. So please be concentrated here. Okay, learn clearly. Okay, if we have any doubts, write and keep, we'll discuss in meeting. Okay, so I hope I have cleared all the concepts here, what I am explaining here, right? What I came to explain here, I have cleared about it, right? So I hope you people are understood. Thank you. Take care, students. Bye bye.